at BlueFlame, we maintain the highest standards of purity. This facility ensures every gallon is perfect for your needs.
Boiling intensely inside a colossal, towering, bright silver fractionation.
Boiling intensely inside a towering, bright silver fractionation column. The raw.
The ultimate test. Fully pressurized, absolutely zero bubbles. This is the flawless, leak-proof seal you get with BlueFlame Premium Propane.
This beautiful, clean-burning fire is the ultimate majestic climax of the BlueFlame Premium Propane.
And that is the extreme precision, heavy industrial power, and passion it takes to safely capture cleaning for your home.
If you were amazed by how invisible gas becomes a pressurized powerhouse, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now for more incredible mega factory tours.